Hi, and welcome to the National Weather Service's Boston office located in Norton, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service is a federal agency under the Department of Commerce and NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. There are 122 weather forecast offices located across the United States and its territories, including Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and Guam. National Weather Service offices are responsible for issuing all weather watches and warnings for hazardous weather across the United States. The history of the National Weather Service in Boston dates back to November 1st of 1870. You can see the transcript of the first official Weather Bureau observation taken in Boston here. The office was located at the Old State House on the corner of State and Devonshire Streets. The identity of the observer is uncertain, but was one of three people: Sergeant Cole, Private Black, or Private Hunnicky, all of the Signal Service of the U.S. Army. The Boston office was located in downtown Boston for many years, from 1870 to 1936, at which time the office moved to Logan Airport, where it remained until 1993. In 1993, the office moved out of the city of Boston to Taunton, Massachusetts, located in the southeast part of the state, and then another half mile away to its present location in Norton in March of 2018. The office covers most of southern New England, including the capital cities of Boston, Providence, and Hartford, as well as the Massachusetts and Rhode Island coastal waters. The Boston office, like many National Weather Service offices, is staffed around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Our office has 26 employees, most of which are meteorologists. We also have electronics technicians who maintain the computer systems, the facility itself, and other equipment such as the Doppler radar, NOAA weather radio transmitters, and automated weather stations located at airports. We also have an administrative support. That staff handles things like office budget, spending, and scheduling. Again, our primary duties are the issuance of watches and warnings for hazardous weather, as well as forecasts out to the next 7 days, and weather observations to maintain a climate record in southern New England. The Doppler radar network in southern New England consists of radars located in Taunton, Massachusetts, Gray, Maine to the north, Albany, New York to the west, and New York City to the south on Long Island. The Taunton Doppler radar is located adjacent to the office. The radar dish inside the dome is 28 feet in diameter, and the tower height to the base of the dome is 90 feet. If you'd like to find weather information, please go to our website. It's weather.gov/Boston. Here you'll find all types of weather information, such as the latest watches, warnings, and advisories, forecasts, climate data, storm reports, radar and satellite data, weather maps, and much more. To find the forecast for your location or anywhere throughout the country, simply enter the zip code in the box at the upper left or the name of the town or city for your forecast. You can also follow us on social media at NWS Boston. In addition to day to day forecasts, the office also produces aviation forecasts for 9 airports in southern New England, most notably Boston's Logan Airport. And we also prepare airport weather warnings for hazards to ground operations, including lightning, ice or snow, and strong winds. Marine forecasts are issued, which include wind and wave height forecasts for the Massachusetts and Rhode Island coastal waters. This is for partners such as the U.S. Coast Guard, ferry services, commercial fishermen, and recreational boaters. Coastal inundation forecasts predict storm surge height and wave impacts for the coastline. Forecasts are available on a point specific basis, as you see here for Nantucket, and also in mapping of inundation for various flood levels. Fire weather forecasts are provided for state fire officials for such things as prescribed burns, burning permits, and brush fires and forest fires, and include many of the elements you see listed here. Impact based decision support services provide information to emergency managers and other decision makers for things such as weather events, scheduled large public events where public safety is important, and training sessions. This is done through emails, conference calls, video briefings, or on site as needed. Collaboration with universities focuses on research, bringing that research into operations. Some recent projects include the installation of low cost tide gauges at several points along the coastline, forecasts of rip currents and wave heights along the coast for beachgoers, power outage forecasts to predict impacts from lightning and strong winds, and freezing spray to be important for mariners during the winter season. Other collaborative relationships at our office include exchange visits with emergency managers on the federal, state, and local level, the Steamship Authority with ride alongs with the captains to learn more about their impacts and get a better understanding of our coastal waters, Blue Hill Observatory, which maintains the longest record of climate data in North America, our TV meteorologists in Boston, Providence, Hartford, and Springfield, and our amateur radio operators who provide real time reports during severe weather. To contact us here at NWS Boston, you can always email our webmaster at box.webmaster@noaa.gov. You can also reach us by phone at 508 622 3250 or on social media, tag us at NWS Boston.